have that IRL. Why are we playing this?
Exactly. God, I saw someone walk past my room like 2 days ago, and you were downstairs. Your bedroom door was closed. No, like, because when someone walks down the stairs, you hear him. There was nothing.
Yeah, I don't know what's wrong with this house. I think it's because I've got ashes in the house or something. Can I go back through here?
Don't close the door.
Why?
This. It's a, you know where you came from, not where you leaving from.
I can't do anything with this. I don't understand.